This is the practice test for percents, and here we're looking at problem number 13. The problem states a family decides to spend no more than 25.5% of its monthly income on rent. What fraction of their monthly income is this in simplest form? So we have to change the percent to a fraction in simplest form. Now, the 25.5%, we should remember that the percent sign always means divide by 100. So when I take this percent, 25.5 divided by 100, I have 0.255. Now, I can change this decimal number into a fraction by taking the number 225 and putting it over 1,000. The number of decimal places in the decimal side tells me the number of zeros here. I have 3 decimal places, so I'm going to put 3 zeros here. And now I have it as a fraction. And now I can reduce the fraction down to its simplest form of 51 over 200. And you see how I've done that here by taking out a factor of 5 in the top and the bottom. Another way to do this is once you have this decimal number in your calculator, you can use the fraction to decimal key to change it to a fraction in simplest form of 51 over 200.